Okay, these have been sponsored by Brides Hardware. Yeah, who sponsors our ladies' tools classes. Okay, so you can get through us a Brides Hardware discount card that gives you a special rate as Brides DIY ladies. So you get a sparkle card, which gets you a better rate, not as good as mine. I've been there a lot longer, but you can get a good rate. Okay. The difference between these heat guns and these, this one's a lot older, is those have a cold setting. So before you switch it on, your first click up is cold, your second click up is warm, and your third click up is really hot, which you don't really want to use on here because you're going to overcook your stuff. Yeah. You must be careful. Yours, your first click is warm.
Give it to me.
Deep in. It's okay, I'm giving you. So when you can swap with someone, yours first click is warm and second click is hot. Okay. Please be careful. Hot is very hot. Okay. You can strip paint with these things. You can start a fire with it if you have to. Really. And
I'm sure you have.
yeah, I have. Yeah. And you can even use them to solder copper pipes. If you come for an actual proper heat gun class, we'll teach you everything you can do with them. But for now, they're just handy for drying stuff like this. Very nice for stripping paint. Works really, really quick. You get accessories with it that you'll also see in the actual heat gun class where you can do Marauder things with it. We've actually stripped things. Our kitchen door is now our headboard. We stripped all the paint. We've made our own little tools to get the paint out of the groups. So a lovely tool to have. Mine is actually mounted under the counter there where I can reach it all the time. It's really a fantastic thing. You use it with PVC. You can warm the PVC up. It becomes soft like putty. You can shape it into any shape you want to cool them with a stove under. So really a nice tool to have and an investment.
Garage hair dryer.
Oh,
Yeah, if you don't want that much hair left, I think it will be gone.
if you don't like your eyebrows, yes.
So please be careful. Try not to heat gun each other in passing. Keep it on low speed and try and keep it far away.
Because the first click on this one's cool, the first click on that one's cool.
He's warm now.
My first one is warm.
Yeah.
And then very hot, but I'm
Linda, jy's sommer hot van die start transport
So
af.
jy doen een klik, ons doen 2 kliks.
Yes. Yeah. So keep it far away. And what I often do is, because it's hard to judge how much heat you're putting by the thing, when I'm using mine, I tend to put my hand in front of it now and then, so you can feel how much heat is actually happening here, and you can touch the surface now and then and just feel that it's not getting too terribly hot. So be gentle, apply it slowly, and roll it come closer and closer and see what is.
Ja, want as jy hom baie naby het, onthou net dit is rou hout ook, so jy staan 'n kans om die hout bietjie te discolor, ja.
And you can actually color it nicely with it. Okay, just keep it up. There you go.
Okay, nou maak jy net droog.